Komanga here. In this video, we will show you how to add subtitles to your audio like this. Hello friends, Komanga here. Do subscribe. Then, let's get started. Here, as you can see, I have already created a background so as not to waste your time. If you want to see creating a background like this, watch the first part of our previous video, link will be in the description. Now I am importing the audio that I want to transcript. This is the audio. Hello friends, Komanga here. Do subscribe. Now let's type the transcript. Change its color as you wish. In this video I show you two ways, you can choose any one. The results of both are the same. Then let's get into the first way. Go to Effects and Presets and search for Typewriter. Add it to it. Hello friends, Komanga here. Do subscribe. Yes, now it looks like this, but it's not enough for us. As you can see, the text is not probably following the audio, so change the last keyframe position to the end of the audio. Hello friends, Komanga here. Do subscribe. Now it's okay. But we need the animation as words. For that, go to Advanced and change based on characters into words. Here I am also increasing the smoothness to 100%. Now let's see it. Hello friends, Komanga here. Do subscribe. That's it. Now let's see the second way. I have removed the previous animation. Now, go to the text menu and select Animator, then the opacity. Here decrease the opacity value to 0%. Now go to Range Selector and add a keyframe for offset at the first of the audio. Then come to the end part of the audio and increase the offset value to 100%. Hello friends, Komanga here. Do subscribe. As we did before, animation should come in words. So go to Advanced and change based onto words. That's all. We have done it. Hello friends, Komanga here. Do subscribe. So friends, it's time for us to say goodbye. But hopefully, we can see each other in the next one. So make sure you have subscribed and settled the bell button and all. Thank you. Goodbye.